The Irish language to this business is kind of our next stage of getting involved more in the Galway community. A lot of people in Galway are either bilingual or have some cúpla focal, and for us it's about making sure that those people feel welcome and want to come into the Skeff. Done a few things from outside in, just some signage outside to make people aware that we are a business that supports and wants to be involved in that community. Signage in the front, food signage, signage on the inside to come in, welcoming people into the Skeff. And then just a little bit of work around our menus in particular and our product. So we've actually created a beer called Scale Ale. The branding around that is representative of Pádraig and Conra, who's outside and our neighbour in Eyre Square. For us, big time here, the Irish language is something that we feel that we could be more involved in promoting and using, both with our staff, engaging with our customers, and engaging with more people who live and breathe the Irish language across the country and come into Galway to visit and see how we use the Irish language. We hope to be able to use Irish a little bit more as time goes on and bring more people in, and for customers and staff to both start speaking Irish to each other.